Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Let's start with my video. So today I will create a HTML project like expanding card. So इस वीडियो में मैं एक HTML प्रोजेक्ट बनाने जा रहा हूँ जो होगा expanding card and what it will do. It will expand a card, whatever which a card you click on it, it will expand. Means यदि आप किसी भी एक कार्ड को, जैसे कि अभी आप देखते हैं माउंटेन इमेज कार्ड, ये विजुअल है और बाकी चार कार्ड ये कोलैप्स हैं। यदि आप किसी भी एक कार्ड पर क्लिक करेंगे तो वो कार्ड ओपन होगा और बाकी सारे कार्ड कोलैप्स हो जाएंगे। ओके, तो इफ आई क्लिक ऑन कार्ड नंबर 3, यू कैन सी ये ओपन हो गया और बाकी दोनों कार्ड कोलैप्स हो गए। यदि मैं लास्ट कार्ड पर क्लिक करता हूँ तो आप देख सकते हैं लास्ट कार्ड ओपन हुआ और बाकी के जो पहले के चार कार्ड थे वो क्लोज हो गए। So I will try to create this similar type of functionality. So let's start. So for that, I'm going to create a folder on my desktop. So name this projects. What I should do, write the name of this. Okay, let's put this name project. Okay, this or I can do because I have already one folder called project, so I will give it a my project name. Okay, so let's open it no VS Code. So what I will do, I will open my VS Code. Okay, Hmm. and I will close this folder. Okay, and I will open my project folder inside this VS Code editor. So it is on desktop and projects, not project, my project. No? I have given an image my project. Okay, I will select that project and you can see my project has opened. Okay, so what I will do, I will create another folder inside my project. मैं my project folder के अंदर एक और project create करूंगा, folder create करूंगा जिसका नाम मैं दूंगा expanding cards. Okay, so अब expanding cards folder के अंदर let's wait for my VS Code to create this folder. Okay, so let's close this all. Okay, now inside this expanded card, I will create one file called index.html. Okay, expanded cards के अंदर मैं index.html का एक फाइल क्रिएट करूंगा और let's start with a default template of HTML. Okay, that's all. And now expanded cards के अंदर मैं एक और फाइल क्रिएट करूंगा for styling like styles or style.css or for scripting like I need the JS file also to make this project. So I will create one file called script.js also. So let's try to edit this index.html page. So I will keep name as expanding card. Okay, मैं अपने HTML पेज का जो नेम है उसका expand करूँगा. Let's try to run this project. So I will click on go live button. Okay, and now you can see it's starting. And here you can see my HTML page is running right now. So now go back to HTML page. Now what I will do, I will first link my CSS. So link my style.css page to this HTML page, and also I will link the script also. Okay, so for link the script, we have one script tag. So script inside the src, I will provide the path of the script. So I have created one file called script.js. So I have linked that script.js file also. Okay, that's all. So for that, I need some images to display here. So for images, I will go one website called Unsplash. Okay, so this is the website where I will take the image. So let's go to this animal section. Okay, so let's take some random image like for rabbit. Okay, let's copy this image link. Okay, so for creating this image, first of all, what I will do, I will create one container div. कंटेनर div create करूंगा और इस कंटेनर div के अंदर मैं सारे अपने div को रैप करूंगा. So I will create 5. Let's take 5 images. So for 5 images, I will create 5 div. So 5 div. So this is a shortcut. If you press dot and then whatever name you will, it will be the class name after div. And if you press asterisk and the number, it will create that divs that many times. Okay, so if you can see, hey, I have written this dot panel asterisk 5. So it has created the 5 divs, which has the class name as panel. Okay, so now let's keep the background image one by one. So not like this. So I will give one style and it will have background image. It will take URL of this background and here I will put this. Okay, URL of the image. So if I replace it, okay, you won't be see anything because for need to display this browser, I need to provide some property also like this style. I need to give some style. So for style, I have created one node for the styling. Here you can see what I have done. First of all, I have give the border radius, sorry, box sizing as border box to the all element, and in the div body, what I have done, I have given the font family as sans serif Molly, and Molly is coming from this Google font. You can see here, I have downloaded this Molly font from the Google font API. Okay, and I am aligning all the items to the center, and I have given the display as text to the body property, and I have given the height as 100 px. That means it will occupy all the viewport, like all the height, and overflow it will be hidden, and margin is 0. So no margin at will top and bottom. Okay, and then for container class, I have given one display property as flex and width it should be 90 px. So it will not occupy the full width, but it will occupy the 90. Okay, so and for panel class, you can see I have given the background size is cover. So this is the main reason to background to be visible. Okay, and background position as center and background repeat as no repeat, and rest all the property you can see here. Okay, so let's copy all this CSS and let's go to my style.css page and let's paste it here. Okay, if I go to my expanded card, you can see this is my image of this rabbit. Okay, so let's go to my HTML page again, and now quickly give to the image to the other div also. Okay, so URL is okay. Let's go to this unsplash and let's take another one URL for each. Which one I should take? Okay, dear. Okay, let's copy this image link over here, paste it here. Okay, done. Okay, I think I have made some mistake here. Should be closing it. Okay, let's do this. I have not pasted inside this parenthesis. I should paste the link inside this bracket. Okay, small bracket. And let's give the style for the third div. Sorry, yes, background image URL. Okay, now go to this unsplash. Okay, and, yeah, I think this is a tiger. So let's copy this tiger image name. Let's paste it here. Okay, now go to the fourth div, style, background image, URL of that image, and let's take another one. Okay, cow. Okay, copy image link, paste it here, and now style, background image, URL. And what will be the URL? I think elephant. Yes, it's looking nice. Copy this image link. Okay, I think I have made some mistake. URL not be. Okay, paste it here. Okay, if I go to my website, you can see I have 5 images which is looking like this. So for that, I need to give some. I want to give some text also. Here you can see cow is coming 2 times. Last image I think is not copied. So let's try to copy this image link and again this. Same. Now it's okay. Done. It's not looking good. So let's copy the different image. Which one should I copy? Cow I have. Which one should I copy? Okay. Cat. Okay. Let's copy this image. Okay, again, by mistake I copied the input string. Okay, now let's go to this and now it's clicking this. Okay. Done. Okay, so I have created all the images. So now once what I will give here, I will give one S3 link, sorry, S3 tag, and I will name all the like the first one is David, BIP, and what is the second image? Deer, third tiger, and fourth one is cow, and fifth one is cat. S3 is cow, and S4, sorry, not S4, S3 is cat. Okay, now if I go to my website, you won't be see the name because I have if you go to my CSS style.css, here you can see okay, yes, 3 panel is 3. Okay, how when it will be visible? It will be visible only when this is active. Okay, here you can see panel its opacity is 0. That means it's there only, but it's invisible there. Okay, if I comment this opacity 0 and if I go to my website, you can see the name. Yeah, you can see that. So I made this opacity 0 so that I want this S3 or the name only comes when I expand this image. When I click on this image and it will expand, and then only the name should be visible. That's why I do. Okay, so let's try to achieve this expanding feature. So for that, let me close all the unnecessary tab. So, okay, so let's go to the script because for the script only I can add this functionality. Okay, so what I will do, first of all, I will capture all the panels. Okay, so for capturing panels, I will do const panels is equal to document from the document object I will grab it. So how can I grab it? I will use one property like query selector all, and I will provide one the class name of that div. Okay, the class name is panel. Okay, and what I will do now, I will run a loop on like for each. It will run a loop and it will take a panel. Okay, and now what I will do, for every panel I will add one event listener. So what I will do, panel dot add event listener, and the event will be click. No, this event will be click. Okay, and now I will create one function, call a function here inside. So what it will do, how can I expand this image? So for expanded this image, I have written one CSS class. So if you go to my CSS, here you can see I have written one CSS like active class. Inside that active, it will expand this flex to the 5 times. Okay. So whatever flex size it has, it will expand it to the 5 times. Okay. For the rest, okay. So how can I achieve this? So I just need to add this active class. Okay. So let's go back to this script. How can I add it? First of all, I will remove all the active class from all the uh, panel which have not I have clicked. Okay. So how can I do? I will create one function called function remove active classes. Okay. And what it will do, it will run a loop on this panel of for each. Okay, and panel, and what it will do, it will remove the panel active class from the panel element. Okay, so how can I will select this class list dot, and it has the properties called remove. Yes, and I will provide a class name which I want to remove. Okay, that's it, and it will remove the remove class. So I will run this function here. Just copy this function and paste it here. Okay, done. And now what I will do, I will add one active class to that panel, whichever panel I have clicked. The panel dot class list dot add, and what I will add, active. Okay, done. So if I go to my website, if I click on Rabbit, you can see it has expand and it has the 5 times width of this element. Okay, if you here you can see this is the width of the flags, and the 5 times of that width, the rabbit the card has been expanded. Okay, and if I click on this deer, you can see deer images also the expanded. Now if I click on cow, you can see cow images have been expanded, and if I click on cat, you can see cat image has been expanded. So this is the functionality. And now what I will one thing I will try to do, if you refresh this page now, you can see let's come back to this original size. So I want to, whenever this page load, one image like the top left image should have expanded always. Okay, so achieve this, what I will do, I just add this for the first div, I will add to class 2. Okay, so if I refresh it, you can see the first image is it will always expanded, but once I click on this the different div, a different card, the that card will be expanded and all the rest of the card will be okay collapse. Okay, so this is my expanding card projects. I hope you have liked this project. So now what I will do, I will create one repo and add this project to that repo also. So I will show you how to create a repository, GitHub repository, and add this project will. So just go to your GitHub website, whatever website you have, and just click on this plus icon and just click on this new repository button. Okay, and here you have to switch. If you have multiple owner, you have to select your username, and here just give the repository name. So what I will do, I will provide this like a repository name as HTML, okay, CSS, and JS project. Okay, this is my repository name. Okay, and I will create on create repository button. So it will create a repository for me. So how can I link this GitHub repository to my code? So for that, I just need to copy this URL here, and I'll go back to my base code, open the terminal, Control+J. This is the shortcut key for opening the terminal. And just what I will do here, first I will initialize my git here. So I will do git init, and it will initialize my empty git repository inside my local system. And now what I will do, I will do git remote add origin, and the link to which I have copied, I will paste it. Okay, get remote add origin, and I will press enter button. So it will link my this project to the GitHub project. And now I will add this project to the GitHub. So how can I do it? I just need to provide this command git add dot. Okay, so it will make these changes to the stage for me. So okay, and now the next command will be git commit hyphen not kkm hyphen m, and I will provide one commit message. So what I will do, expanding card. You can give whatever commit message, it's up to you. Expanded card project. Okay, and now what I will do, I will do git push origin and your branch name. Branch name you can see from the bottom left side. This is the your branch name, like master. So I will add master. Just press enter. So it will push these changes to the GitHub repository. So if I go to my GitHub repository and refresh it, refresh the page, you can see here is my project. Like you can see expanding card, the project. And if you open that project, you can see all the 3 files are there, like index.html, how I design this index.html page. Okay, and if you go to the script.js, you can see all the code inside the script.js. And if you go to this style.css, you will see all the styles. So that's all for this project. I hope you like this project. So if you like it, just hit the like button. And if you have any opinion or suggestion or query, just write down in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel also. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. We will meet soon in the upcoming